Yeah, you can't even find it.
Alright, so today we're changing the crankshaft seal.
Why are you laughing?
Because I forgot the name of it.
I'm not gonna record my door because it's dented. And I have a silver freaking side mirror.
Holy shit. I should have thought about that.
Oh my,
Did you just kick it?
No, I just dropped it again. Gumi's toy. If you guys don't know who Gumi is, well, you're never gonna know. Gumi is a dog. She's my dog.
She's mine.
She's actually not his. She's mine. Oh, that was delicious. Oh, ignore that. Someone stole it. Whoever stole it, I hope you're using it. He's missing a friend. Here you are, good sir.
Thank you.
Why does it have that?
I don't know. I guess the previous owner thought someone was going to want to steal his wheels.
Fun fact for you guys. If you guys want to kill your roaches, put coolant. They literally die.
They drink it, and then when you step on them,
Their blood is blue. We have the proof over here. You see that? That stuff? We killed a roach.
So I'm going to try it with that one. I don't know if it's going to work. And then I got this long ass extension. Okay,
So Brian is struggling because
Alright, so I sprayed that shit with WD-40 because it won't come off. Hopefully that works, because if not, we're going to have to do this another day. But meanwhile, she's going to do her oil change. Oh, you got it. Alright, you can take that bar off. Oh.
my bad.
Fuck. I'm having a really hard time taking this shit off. I'm gonna try it a couple more times. If I can't get it today, I'll just do it another day, because I have to fix the S2000 today as well. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. Go a little bit more.
There.
So I asked my dad for some help because he's a little beefier than I am, and this happened. Oh, you can't even see it, but basically a chunk of the pulley broke off. So yeah, this is definitely gonna happen another day. Since we gave up on the pulley bolt, we're just gonna finish up the oil change.
Hungry fella? Wait, I figured it out.
You got it?
Yeah, hold on.
Alright, so this side is off, that side's off.
I know. Just the white thing?
Yeah. That's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Isn't there two?
Oh, dang, you're right. So it actually does come with two. The other one is on the other side.
The arrows go up or down?
Yeah, up. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, they're good now. Alright, so we have to push my car back in.
Oh my lord,
Alright, so I already got the air intake off. And the fuel rail And that's about it. I have to take out the alternator to get to some bolt that's back there. And there's another bolt all the way back there, which I'm going to have trouble with as well. So wish me luck.
Okay, so Brian is loosening his
Serpentine
snake belt. And it's completely easier than my
Yours.
car. Alright.
Alright, so we took off the hood just to make things easier. We didn't have any room with it. And it was really dark. It looks a lot better now.
What are you doing, taking out the bolts?
For the alternator?
Exactly. That's what he's doing.
Should slide out. Oh, it's still stuck on the bracket from the bottom.
What?
It all spilled right there. So I got the alternator off. Now I gotta reach in there for those other bolts that are extremely hard to reach. So I also had to take out the belt tensioner for the serpentine belt. It was in the way as well. I didn't think I was gonna have to remove it, but it's off now. But I will continue this right now. Hopefully I get this done by today because I'm really hoping I can drive the car next week. Alright, so I cleared everything up right here. Now I have a good amount of clearance for the bolt that I need to take out. And then there's still one more all the way at the end over there. So I got the last one out. Hopefully now it just slides right out. I hope I don't have to do anything else because I'm fucking tired and I want to get this shit running. Took me about half a day. Now all I gotta do is take out this gasket and take out some hose down here that ripped. So here are the replacements. I went with OEM. I got the hose and the intake manifold right here. Just gonna go ahead and install them right now. Alright. So I'm gonna do this one first because it seems a little easier.
After hours and hours and hours,
Of you trying to take it off, you finally got
I
it.
finally did it. Wait, aren't you supposed to take the other one off?
I already took it off.
Wait, no you didn't.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, you're tripping. I obviously know what I'm doing.
Alright, thanks, Master Vidi.
You owe me chicken nuggets.
Alright.
This is a stupid crap that is leaking?
Look at this.
Oh, this is so stupid. Honestly, like, this is just gonna leak too.
No, it's not.
It's like metal.
Yeah, it's a metal gasket.
Oh.
Just playing in here, I'm just kidding. Imagine it actually like that. So lucky number one, but can we get Bo now? Yeah. And can we shower the dogs tomorrow? Yeah. Because listen, Goonie said that she's tired of smelling and making me crap. Yeah. That's what she said.
So Brian is apparently gonna take out an old hose and put a new one in.
Yeah, that's the one that was leaking.
Of course.
How am I supposed to get that shit?
Shouldn't you move that gallon of coolant? Because what if you like drop it and it all spills? Who remembers that blue raspado, the chicle one?
This is it right here. You guys want some? Free. I'm gonna leave it out in the front of the house if anyone wants any. They're both in. Hose is in. New gasket is in as well. This took really long. I didn't expect it to take all day, but I got them all in. I'm gonna put as much as I can together right now because tomorrow I want to actually do stuff and maybe drive the car. Hopefully it doesn't take as long as it took to just pull it all apart. And hopefully I remember where everything goes because I took a bunch of shit off. Yeah, so wish me luck. Should be fun. I'm gonna stop working on it right now. I already got the air intake manifold back on and connected some like lines that were out of place. I think by tomorrow I should be able to get this done. It's a lot easier to put back together than it was to pull this shit apart. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. So I guess last night I left one of the gas lines facing downward, so it was leaking and the whole garage smells like gas right now. So you probably won't be able to see it on camera, but I actually dropped a socket somewhere down here. I'm gonna try to get it out right now. Just because I'm procrastinating on doing everything else. Let's see. Wow, first try. Just double checking that they're all at 16 foot-pounds. Here's a little click. So that means they're all good to go. Alright, so I got this sorted out. I got the serpentine tensioner, and then I got the alternator on. Alright, so now I'm going to get started on the fuel rail. And then after that, I just need to make sure everything's connected correctly and bleed the coolant. And then I think it should be fine. I think I just need my air intake box, and then I should be good with putting everything back together. Wait, I forgot about one thing. I actually need to put my serpentine belt back on. Oh man, it landed in all that gunk. Damn, I think I should replace this thing already. Yeah, so I think I'm actually gonna go buy one right now. I'm back with the belt. Now I just gotta put the belt back on, which should be fairly easy. Alright, so once you get it around everything, you just pull this. I'm gonna do the first startup right now in 2 months, I wanna say. Fuck, this looks like it's leaking still. Alright, I'm gonna tighten that down a bit more before I even try turning it on. So I'm just bleeding it out. Once this is done, I'm probably gonna end the video because it's basically done. This took a really long time. It took me about 2 days. 1 day of actually trying, and then another day of just trying to figure shit out. But it wasn't too bad, I guess, once you kind of know where things are and where they go. But I'll update you guys once this is done. I'm all done for today. It was a long day, but it turned out great, so I'm thankful for that.